Welcome, travelers! Are you looking for an incredible destination to explore? I have several options for you, but let me tell you why San Juan Opico in La Libertad is surely the best choice. What other destinations do you have in mind? Well, there are many wonderful places to consider. For example, you could visit the breathtaking beaches of La Libertad, or perhaps you would like to explore the Santa Ana volcano, surrounded by majestic forests and nature. This sounds amazing. Why should we choose Opico over those other destinations? Great question. Opico offers a unique mix of history, culture, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. It's a hidden gem that often gets overlooked, but it's truly one of a kind. So, what makes Opico so special? Well, let me tell you, if you come to Opico, you can visit a great historical site called Foya de Seren. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's also referred to as the Pompeii of the Americas. You can explore the well-preserved ancient Maya village and gain insight into their daily lives, preserved remarkable wealth by volcanic ash. You can walk through the ancient village, marvel the excavated structures, and learn about the fascinating agricultural practices of the Mayan civilization. You'll be transported back in time and gain a deeper understanding of this ancient civilization. And besides that, if you're interested in the rich history of El Salvador, make sure to visit the Church of Opico. It dates back to the 18th century and showcases the stunning colonial architecture. As you step inside, you'll also be transported back in time. This architectural gem stands as a testament to the rich history and heritage of San Juan Opico. That sounds fascinating. What else can we do in Opico? Aside from the historical sites, you can indulge in the mouth-watering flavors of Salvadorian cuisine. When it comes to culinary delights, you'll find a treasure collection of flavors waiting to be savored. Because Opico is a heaven for food enthusiasts, the town is filled with the charming local restaurants that offer a delicious range of flavors. One cannot visit Opico without tasting the iconic Salvadoran dish, pupusas, but we have more options for your taste. From succulent Mexican food, Italian food, to perfectly grilled meats, our local restaurants satisfied every palate. Indulge in the flavors of the old continent with a mouth-watering artisan pizza, or delight in the smoky aroma of grilled meats or delicious burritos, and don't forget to save room for dessert. That's centerfully a tempting offer. Are there any other attractions in Absolutely. The natural beauty surrounding Opico is simply breathtaking. Nature enthusiasts will find paradise in Caldera Lagoon, in a water park called La Casa de Bendición. Is there anything else that sets San Juan Opico apart? One thing you'll notice in Opico is the genuine warmth and hospitality of the local people. They are called Opicanos. They will make you feel like family. Now, let me share some interesting facts about my beautiful town. Opico was established as an Indian village in 1572. And on February 20th, 1855, Opico was granted the title of town. And then, on February the 4th, 1881, the town of Opico was elevated to the rank of city. It's also located 42 kilometers from San Salvador. This town has an area of 218 square kilometers and a population of 74,280 inhabitants. The name Opico is derived from the Nahuatl language spoken by indigenous people. Opico is believed to mean place where hearts are ripped out, or city of sacrifices. Well, after hearing all this, I'm convinced. San Juan Opico, it is excellent choice. I promise you won't be disappointed. If you decide to visit Opico, you'll experience the warm hospitality of the Opicanos and create lifelong memories, because Opico offers a truly unique and authentic experience that will leave you with amazing memories. Get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Remember, Opico is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will touch your heart. So, if I were you, I will plan a trip to Opico today and let the magic of this town captivate your heart.